Hi friends, in today's video, we are going to compare Oppo F21 Pro 5G versus Oneplus Nord CE 5G with full specifications like display, design, performance, Antutu benchmarks, and price, and are going to know which is the best smartphone for you. So friends, please watch the entire video and let us know your thoughts in the comments section. Let's start with a display comparison. In a comparison of screen size, Oppo F21 Pro 5G has a 6.43 inches screen, and the Oneplus Nord CE 5G also has a 6.43 inches screen. If you look at the display type, Oppo F21 Pro 5G comes with an AMOLED display, while the Oneplus Nord CE 5G comes with an Fluid AMOLED display. Oppo F21 Pro 5G has a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, whereas the Oneplus Nord CE 5G also has a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. Oppo F21 Pro 5G has a 409 pixels density, while the Oneplus Nord CE 5G also has 409 pixels. In the aspect ratio, both the phones are equally comes with a 20:9 ratio. In a comparison of screen to body ratio, Oppo F21 Pro 5G has 85.3% and Oneplus Nord CE 5G has 84.9%. In a refresh rate comparison, Oppo F21 Pro 5G support only 60Hz higher refresh rate, while the Oneplus Nord CE 5G support up to 90Hz higher refresh rate. Oppo F21 Pro 5G comes with short sensation display protection, while the Oneplus Nord CE 5G comes with Gorilla Glass 5 protection. Friends, let's make a design comparison between these two phones. Looking at these two phones' physical height, Oppo F21 Pro 5G has 159.9mm, while the Oneplus Nord CE 5G has 160.6mm. Oppo F21 Pro 5G has 73.2mm in the width, and the Oneplus Nord CE 5G also has 73.2mm width. Oppo F21 Pro 5G has 7.5mm in the thickness, and the Oneplus Nord CE 5G also has 7.8mm. Looking at these two phones' weight, both phones are measured only 173 grams. If you look at the colors of these two phones, Oppo F21 Pro 5G comes with two different colors, while the Oneplus Nord CE 5G also comes with two different colors. Friends, now let us compare about the camera and its features. Oppo F21 Pro 5G has a triple camera setup, including a 64 megapixels primary lens, a 2 megapixels depth camera, and a 2 megapixels macro camera. Oneplus Nord CE 5G also has a triple camera setup, with a 64 megapixels primary lens, an 8 megapixels ultra-wide camera, and a 2 megapixels macro camera. If you look at the video resolution of these phones, Oppo F21 Pro 5G comes with a Full HD video resolution at 30 fps, while the Oneplus Nord CE 5G comes with 4K resolution at 30 fps. In a comparison of front camera, both of these phones comes with a 16 megapixel selfie camera, with a Full HD video resolution at 30 fps. Now let's compare the hardware between these two phones. Looking at the processor of both phones, Oppo F21 Pro 5G comes with a Snapdragon 695 chipset, while the Oneplus Nord CE 5G comes with a Mediatek Dimensity 900 chipset. In a CPU comparison, Oppo F21 Pro 5G has octa-core 2.2 GHz clock speed, while Oneplus Nord CE 5G has octa-core 2.4 GHz clock speed. In the GPU comparison, Oppo F21 Pro 5G comes with an Adreno 619 GPU, while the Oneplus Nord CE 5G comes with a Mali G68 GPU. Let's compare the operating system. Oppo F21 Pro 5G comes with a ColorOS-based Android 12 operating system, while Oneplus Nord CE 5G comes with an Oxygen OS-based Android 11 operating system. Friends, let's compare the storage between these two phones. Oppo F21 Pro 5G comes with only one variant, 8GB RAM with 128GB storage, while the Oneplus Nord CE 5G comes with two variants, 6GB RAM with 128GB storage, and 8GB RAM with 128GB storage. Both these phones comes with the memory card slot. Friends, let's compare the battery between these two phones. The battery capacity in Oppo F21 Pro 5G is 4500 mAh, and in the Oneplus Nord CE 5G also has 4500 mAh. Oppo F21 Pro 5G supports 33 watts fast charge, while the Oneplus Nord CE 5G supports 65 watts fast charge. Now let's compare the rest of the connectivity and features in these phones. Both these phones comes with an USB Type-C port. Both these phones comes with a 3.5mm audio jack. Oppo F21 Pro 5G doesn't comes with the NFC support, while the Oneplus Nord CE 5G comes with the NFC support. The IR blaster is not even available on these two phones. Both these phones support 5G network. Both these phones comes with an under-display fingerprint sensor. Oppo F21 Pro 5G has a Bluetooth 5.0 version, while the Oneplus Nord CE 5G has Bluetooth 5.2 version. Friends, let's take a look on the benchmark score of these two phones. In a AnTuTu benchmark score comparison, Oppo F21 Pro 5G has scored 377,430, while Oneplus Nord CE 5G has scored 423,161. Now let's compare price. If you look at the Oppo F21 Pro 5G, the 8GB 128GB variant is priced at 26,999 rupees, while Oneplus Nord CE 5G, the 6GB 128GB variant is priced at 23,999 rupees, and 8GB 128GB variant is priced at 24,999 rupees. Friends, please like this video and subscribe my channel for more smartphone comparison videos.